Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here to share my kits that I plan to use in August of 2026. For this month, there are 4 weeks that are predominantly in August, so I'm going to walk you through the 4 kits or kit-like things that I plan to use during that time. First off is the week of August 3rd through the 9th, and this week is my work company retreat. We do a whole bunch of planning, all that kind of nonsense, and we meet in like a fancy club building so that they can feed us and we have office space, all that good stuff. So I thought that I would go with this kit from B&R Paper Crafts called Adam's Family. Definitely this is not exactly the vibes of what we're going for sure not this luxe by any means, but I think that it'll still work out reasonably well. I have used this kit before, obviously, but I'm excited to use it again. So I have 5 full boxes here, and then I have 2 more full boxes and a bunch of icons, a bunch of functional things, more functional things, boxes, glittery boxes, and then 2 more full boxes and a set of glitter headers. So I think it should be overall a pretty useful kit, and I should be able to get most of my stuff done just with this kit and then adding in a few extras. So we'll see how that goes. The next of the weeks is August 10th through the 16th. I didn't have anything particular planned for this week, but I did have these 2 pieces of kit 73 from Avalon and 9th just in my stash from when I did a grab bag from them several years ago. And I thought that the bright colors and the ice cream was definitely the vibes that I wanted to go for this particular week. I feel like August is that last hurrah of summer. And so I wanted things that would go with this. So to that end, I decided to pull out a bunch of my samplers, predominantly because this one from Corsa's Creations was like the perfect one to use. The colors go really well, and there's a giraffe with an ice cream cone on the cover in exactly the right colors. So this was the kind of inspiration that started this all. And I'm excited to use a bunch of this stuff. And then while I was at it, I pulled a couple other Corsa's Creations things, a couple here. This particular sampler, which doesn't have a full box, but does have some other functional things. And then I also pulled my B&R Paper Crafts samplers. I have this one that's Alice in Wonderland theme. This one with Taylor Swift, which also I thought the colors went really well, so I'll probably use this one. This one with the hot air balloons. Again, the colors go really well, and hot air balloons feel very summery to me. This one with all the turquoise things, so again, good color match. And the 2 like ices I think would go. And then a couple of flowers here as well. So I don't know exactly what I'm going to use of this stuff. And I'll probably try to pull in some of my other samplers as well. I might have some other Corsa's Creation samplers, and definitely some of my other random miscellaneous shops. So I think I'm just going to kind of pull it together using a bunch of random things, but I'm excited to see how that goes. The third of the weeks is August 17th through the 23rd. And for that week, I am going to be using this giant Happy Planner value pack. It's 100 sticker sheets in rainbow. And so I've used this several times in the past, so there's a lot that's already been used, but we kind of go through pink and red up here. And then we have a bunch of like yellow and orange options. We have some turquoise and lime green, like with this. This section finishes off the turquoise and lime green, and then we move into this like teal color here, and then finally finish it off with purple and more pink, more like a coral pink. So I should be able to pull in enough things from this to be able to get a pretty fun spread. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. It's always an adventure when I use this sticker book for a spread, but I do think it'll be fun, so I'm excited to give that a try. And then the last of the weeks in August is August 24th through the 30th. This is not a holiday weekend because the 31st of August is the Monday, so that means Labor Day is super late this year. but it is definitely that transition time still in my mind. So I'm using this kit from B&R Paper Crafts called Sunflower. Here in Western New York, we do actually have quite a few farmers with sunflowers. So we definitely start to see them coming in the late summer, early fall. And so I think this will fit in perfectly with the vibes. This is another B&R Paper Crafts kit. This one is another deluxe matte kit, which I have not used before. So we have lots of box options. So this is the full box page, bottom washi and date covers. This is exactly what the fields look like around us. Glittery boxes, non-glittery boxes, functional things, 4 more full boxes and a bunch of icons, more functionals, and then 4 more full boxes and glitter headers. So this is a format of the deluxe kit that I always get 2 uses out of. So it'll be exciting to use this one for the first time. So that is my plans. Kind of chaotic, especially compared to what I've been doing for the last few months, but I'm kind of excited to see how it works out and see what the spreads end up looking like. But these are the 4 kits or whatever I'm going to be using. And that's all I have for today. So as always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know what kits you have planned for August, what kit you're excited to see me use, what kit you're excited to use yourself, other kits I should check out, any of those things. Or if you're not feeling chatty, leave me a giraffe emoji just to say hi. I would love to hear from you. And we can have lots of cute giraffes in the comments section. And then follow me on Instagram and Blue Sky at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads, bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.